Meaning of gobsmacked.
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 Gobsmacked. The word gobsmacked is a slang term that originated in British English. It means to be utterly shocked or surprised, often by an unexpected turn of events. When someone is gobsmacked, they are left speechless and unable to react immediately. This feeling of surprise can range from mild amazement to complete disbelief. In short, it refers to a state of being dumbfounded or astonished. The term has become popular outside of the UK as well and is used to describe an intense level of astonishment or surprise.